This OPPO Find X5 Pro has a broken back cover. Today, we're going to replace it. It's a fairly simple job. We'll start by heating it up with the Polartec Magic Self-Heating Pad for about 10 minutes. Slide a thin metal tool in, then switch to a plastic pick once the gap is wide enough. Work your way around the edges to cut through the adhesive. If it feels stuck, just add a little alcohol to loosen it up. Since the cover has been removed before, it comes off quite easily. Our new back cover already comes with fresh adhesive. Before installing it, make sure to clean off the old glue from the frame. Use a scraper like I do here. This part can take some time, so be patient. Here's the new cover. For the best seal, clamp it down for about 2 hours. Looks good! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more repair guides.